we'll guide you through how to use Stripe card issuing effectively. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and go to the Stripe dashboard. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to sign up and complete the verification process. Once you're in the dashboard, navigate to the issuing section on the left-hand menu. Here, you can start by creating your first card. Click on Create Card, and you'll see options to issue either a virtual or physical card. Choose the type that suits your needs. For a virtual card, you can issue it instantly and use it online or in mobile wallets. For a physical card, you'll need to provide shipping details and it may take a few days to receive it. Next, set the cardholder details. You can either select an existing cardholder or create a new one by entering their name, email, and phone number. Then, set the spending controls according to your preferences. You can specify limits on transactions per day, week, or month, and even restrict usage to certain merchant categories. This helps you manage expenses and prevent unauthorized transactions. Once everything looks good, confirm the details and click Create Card. Your virtual card will be ready to use immediately, while the physical card will be shipped to the provided address. Remember to monitor your card activity regularly in the dashboard under the Issuing section to keep track of all transactions and ensure everything is running smoothly. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.